Hey guys, and welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. So today we're going to be doing LeetCode 242, which is valid anagram. So let's get straight into it and put our first piece of logic. So we know that these two strings won't be an anagram if their lengths are different, right? So is not equal to t dot length, then we return false. Right. Now that we know that the lengths are the same, we can iterate through s, but before I do that, I want to make a count which will act as a dictionary, so we can map the number of times a character appears. Right, so we'll do that by making an int array, naming a count, and specifying the length as 26 because that's the amount of alphabets, right? And now going through our strings, so we can do int I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. So we know this is going to work because both of the lengths are the same, right? So going through string s, we will add to the we'll add to the count, right? So count s dot character at I minus a, we will increment. So this basically works on the ordinal values. So if the first is a, then we know to add it to the first kind of like the first index of our count, so it basically maps what this value is going to be and in which index we can put it in count. Now going through string t, we will subtract from the count. So count t dot character at I minus a to get the ordinal value, minus minus. Right, so this is our dictionary made. Now we will go through our dictionary using an enhanced loop, and if at any point the num is not 0, we will return false. And if this loop completes without this executing, then we know that it's an anagram and we can return true. So this is because when we're going through the first string, we are indexing which characters are present in the string and how many times they're present. And then when we're going through string t, we are doing the same thing but subtracting from our count. So a here appears 3 times and it appears 3 times in string t as well. So it will add a 3 times and it will subtract a 3 times. So the value that will be left is 0 because 3 minus 3 equals to 0. In case that there was an extra a in t or any discrepancy, then the number that would be present in our count would not be 0 and then we would return false. So let's submit this to see if it's correct. Yep, all good. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for more.